When I heard that Pak Murtala and his wife is arranging this event, it was a real great chance for me to retrace our roots and our history. There's so much that has happened for centuries in this land and the nation of Yirrkala. And I'm grateful and blessed that you've welcomed us here. You've welcomed us as part of this tradition. And I do hope that we can continue to learn about this beautiful relationship that we've always had.
So about 13 years ago, I moved to Sydney to study dance. And about 3 years ago, I met a woman and a man, Alfira and Bang, who run Suara Indonesian Dance Group. And whenever I was in Sydney and was able to, I would join them in classes and also join them in performances. And then we came up with an idea that maybe Alfira should come to Yirrkala and visit my community. So we applied for some funding, and we were very lucky and we got it. And that's the reason why they're here, to share their culture with us. So